Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming account and signal basics. Make sure your plan is active and no carrier outage is reported. Next, toggle airplane mode on for about 10 seconds then off to force a network reattach. This often fixes transient drops. Once done, restart your Android to clear radio glitches and background apps that hog CPU. If you have Wi-Fi calling, enable or disable it to test differences, because routing changes can immediately improve call stability. Now you dig into network settings. Open mobile networks and manually choose the preferred network mode, LTE/4G or 3G, to avoid automatic fluctuations. You should also power off, remove and reset the SIM, or test the SIM in another phone to isolate the problem. Once done, turn off battery saver and any aggressive data or background restrictions that drop radio priority. These settings throttle cellular connectivity and can cause call drops even when signal bars look fine. Finish by updating your phone. Check for Android and carrier settings updates because vendors release radio fixes. If problems persist, perform a network settings reset to restore APNs, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth defaults. This removes corrupted configs causing drops. After you test again, gather call timestamps and any error messages. If calls still drop, contact your carrier and provide the phone model, IMEI, and call log times so they can trace tower handoffs. If nothing works, an
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.